Government records. The archival records of the government of British India are available in National Archive of India at New Delhi. Now, the archival records of government of British India, they are also available in National Archive of India in New Delhi. They are There are many archival documents and manuscripts dealing with British India at the India Office Record, London. There are many archival documents and manuscripts which are dealing with British India, and they are available at India Office Record, London. तो आई होप ये समझ में आ गया होगा कि बुक्स, न्यूज़पेपर और मैगजीन्स की हेल्प से भी हिस्टोरियंस रिकंस्ट्रक्ट करते थे मॉडर्न पीरियड की हिस्ट्री. नेक्स्ट सोर्स इज डायरीज एंड अकाउंट्स ऑफ ट्रैवलर्स. Many travelers, traders, missionaries, and civil servants who came to India in 18th and 19th century left the accounts of their experience and impression of the country. There were many travelers, traders, missionary or civil servant who came to India during 18th and 19th century, and they left a account. They wrote a account, or we can say they wrote their experience about India. However, historians read and interpret them with some caution, as these accounts may be biased. However, historians study or interpret those accounts with some awareness or caution, because these accounts are biased. Next is photographs, paintings, and artifacts. Photographs are an important source for studying the history of this period. Photographs एक important source है about studying the history of this period. European photographers came to India in the early 1800s and captured the buildings, people, and places of India in their cameras. Now, European traders came to India during 18th century or 1800s and captured photographs of places, people, and buildings. There are many photographs of this period which have been preserved and served as a source for reconstructing history. There are many photographs still available from which we can reconstruct the history of this period. Cameras have also captured important moments and events in history, preserving their memory forever. Now, these cameras or this European photographers also captured some events and moments from which we can reconstruct the history. For instance, there are old photographs of monuments like Golden Temple in Amritsar that shows how much the place has changed since then. For example, there is a photograph available of Golden Temple in Amritsar, and that photograph shows us that it present and in past how much that place has changed. Along with the photographs, paintings, and artifacts also throw lights on the history of modern period in India. Along with the photographs and painting and artifacts, they also throws a light on modern period in India, the history of modern period in India. They also tells us about the life of people during that period. For example, the social, cultural, and economic condition of the people in the society. At that particular time, लोगों का social, cultural और economic condition कैसी थी, ये भी हमें वो history को reconstruct करने पर पता चलता है. Some artifacts from those periods, such as arms and ammunition, furniture, vehicle, have also been preserved in museums and by the private collector. Now, there are few artifacts which are still available. Examples are arms and ammunition. We can say gun and those bullets which was used by them, their furniture, the kind of vehicle they use, they are still preserved in some museums and by the private collectors. They tells us about the technology and trends of those period, और इससे हमें उस टाइम की टेक्नोलॉजी और ट्रेंड्स के बारे में पता चलता है कि क्या फैशन थी, क्या लोग वो यूज़ करते थे, किस तरीके की टेक्नोलॉजी उस टाइम पर अवेलेबल थी. राइट नाउ, नेक्स्ट And the last topic we are going to discuss is about historical structures, right? This is a photograph of a historical structure, that is Gateway of India, Mumbai. Now, historical structure. The British planned and constructed many buildings and cities during their rule in India. ब्रिटिश ने बहुत सारी चीज़ों को प्लान किया और कंस्ट्रक्ट किया, उसमें सिटीज़ भी हैं, बिल्डिंग्स भी हैं ड्यूरिंग देयर टाइम. दे ऑल्सो गिव गुड इंसाइट इनटू आर्ट एंड आर्किटेक्चर ऑफ दैट पीरियड. और उस पर्टिकुलर टाइम पर जो आर्ट और आर्किटेक्चर वो यूज़ करते थे इन बिल्डिंग्स और इन मॉन्यूमेंट, इन बिल्डिंग्स और इन मॉन्यूमेंट से हमें पता चलता है. सम मॉन्यूमेंट्स वर ऑल्सो कंस्ट्रक्टेड टू मार्क हिस्टोरिकल इवेंट्स. और कुछ ऐसे मॉन्यूमेंट्स थे जिन्हें किसी हिस्टोरिकल इवेंट को एज अ मार्क बनाने के लिए कंस्ट्रक्ट किया गया था. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द गेटवे ऑफ इंडिया इन मुंबई वॉज इरेक्टेड टू मार्क द विजिट ऑफ किंग जॉर्ज एंड क्वीन मैरी टू इंडिया इन 1911. इसका एक एग्जाम्पल है गेटवे ऑफ इंडिया जो आज मुंबई में है, उसे एज अ मार्क बनाया गया था बिकॉज किंग जॉर्ज एंड क्वीन मेरी विजिटेड इंडिया इन 1911. So in memory of that, this gateway of India was built. The Chhatrapati Shivaji terminus is also an example of how British architects worked together with Indian craftsmen to create architectural marvel. इसका एक और एग्जाम्पल है छत्रपति शिवाजी टर्मिनस. ये भी ब्रिटिश ने इंडियन क्राफ्टमैन्स के साथ मिलकर इस आर्किटेक्चरल मार्वल को, इस ब्यूटीफुल बिल्डिंग को या मॉन्यूमेंट को बनाया था. देन अदर एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ सच हिस्टोरिकल बिल्डिंग्स आर द इंडिया गेट, राष्ट्रपति भवन एंड द पार्लियामेंट हाउस इन दिल्ली. ये इसके एग्जाम्पल्स हैं. तो आई होप आपको ये समझ में आ गया होगा. अब हम एक क्विक रिकैप ले लेते हैं सोर्सेस का. सोर्सेस फॉर स्टडीइंग हिस्ट्री ऑफ मॉडर्न पीरियड. मॉडर्न पीरियड की जो हिस्ट्री है उसके सोर्सेस क्या होते हैं? बुक्स, न्यूज़पेपर, मैगजीन्स, गवर्नमेंट रिकॉर्ड्स, डायरीज एंड अकाउंट्स ऑफ ट्रेवलर्स, photograph, paintings and artifacts, and the last one is historical structure. बहुत छोटा चैप्टर था and we are at the end of the chapter, so let's end.